What is up, guys? Kuya Snowden is back at it again for another video here on our YouTube channel, the one and only Snowden Gaming. Now, so for today's video, we are going to tackle about how can we earn U-Coins in game, no? So, I know most of you are curious, how can we earn U-Coins in game, Kuya Snowden? Paano yun? Paano nyo nagagawang makakuha ng U-Coins in game, no? So, in this video, we will tackle about that certain topic, no? So, para mas maliwanagan kayo kung paano nga ba tayo nakaka-earn ng U-Coin and how can we maximize those U-Coins that we earn in-game, no? So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So, hello guys! So, Kuya Snowden is back, no? So, makikita nyo, nandito tayo sa portion doon sa may box, no? So, ano ba yung box? Diyan nyo makikita yung mga NFTs na meron tayo in-game. So, with this NFT, guys, ito yung number one key for us to earn U-Coins in-game, no? So, bakit kailangan natin ng NFT, Kuya Snowden? Kasi, with those NFTs, every time na mananalo tayo in-game, makakakuha tayo ng U-Coin. Kuya Snowden, hindi ba tayo makaka-earn kapag di tayo bumili ng NFTs? Makaka-earn pa rin kayo ng U-Coin. It's either sa mga chest box, but it is so random, no? So, maliit lang yun chance na makakuha tayo ng U-Coin sa chest box na nakukuha natin every time na nananalo tayo sa arena battle. So, ang number one key talaga for us to earn U-Coin is by getting an NFT in the marketplace, no? So, disclaimer lamang ulit mga kapatid, we don't need to buy these NFTs. Hindi to required for us to enjoy the game, no? If you want to just enjoy the game, we can play the game for free. If you want to enjoy battling in arena, we can enjoy the game for free because it is also a free-to-play game, no? But if you want to know how to earn U-Coin, let's go deep dive into it. Okay, so gagawin lang natin, click lang natin to si Psychic. No, so kung makikita nyo dito, nagtataka kayo, meron ditong parang energy, no? Para siyang energy or para siyang kidlat na color pink. No, so ano nga ba yan? No, so makikita nyo, meron tayong 24,709 out of 25,000 na color pink na energy or pink na kidlat. No, ano nga ba yan? No, so that indicates kung how much yung earning na U-Coin ang pwede nating makuha with this specific NFT na si Psychic. No, so kung makikita nyo dito, meron pa tayong 24,709 U-Coins na pwedeng makuha with this NFT, no? So, Kuya Snowden, paano nababawasan yan? Nadadagdagan din ba yan? Yes, nababawasan yan. And paano siya nababawasan? Every time na nananalo tayo sa arena, nakakakuha tayo ng U-Coin. Pero kailangan meron kang available na chest slot outside. Na, so let's say for example, balik tayo sa home. So meron tayong available na isang chest slot or treasure slot. So pag naglaro tayo ng arena battle and nanalo tayo, makakakuha tayo ng U-Coin. Pero let's say for example, yung treasure slot natin is full and nanalo tayo sa arena battle, hindi tayo makakuha ng U-Coin, no? So, I highly suggest na lagi nyong i-open yung mga treasure chest or treasure slots nyo para every time na naglalaro kayo sa arena and nanalo kayo, makakuha kayo ng U-coins, no? So, I suggest na mag-alarm kayo, no? Kasi medyo matagal mag-unlock ng treasures, no? So, nakita nyo dito, 3 hours siya, no? 3 hours siya before ma-unlock. So, try nyo mag-alarm para lagi nyong ma-unlock on time yung mga treasure chest. Dahil hindi yan mag-auto-unlock, di yan mag-auto-claim. Kailangan yan i-click. Okay? So, next one. Nauubos din ba yan, Kuya Snowden? Yes. So, this 24,709 will reach 0 kapag na-maximize na natin yung pag-earn ng U-coin dito sa specific NFT. Kuya Snowden, nare-recharge din ba yan? Yes, nare-recharge po siya. So, paano natin siya i-recharge? So, i-click mo lang yung charge. So, sabi dito, the charge requires 1 NFT Sino. Sino used as material for charge will disappear. No? So, para ma-replenish yung 25,000 na U-coin na earning doon sa specific NFT, kailangan mo rin siyang gamitan ng isang NFT Sino. So, paano yun, Kuya Snowden, mawawala yung Sino ko na mataas na yung level? So, if you really want to charge up that specific NFT dahil mataas na yung level niya, I recommend na pwede kang kumuha ng another level, yung low level na NFT Sino for just the sake of recharging it. Okay? So, pwede mong gawin yun. So, bakit may earn level 1? So, pwede mo kasing i-earn up yung Sinos mo na NFTs. But you need also a U-coin. Okay, so for this video, we don't have enough U-coin for us to level up the earning capability ng ating NFT. But if you have enough U-coin, you can click that earn up and magkakaroon ka ng level up. And mas malaki yung pwede mo ma-earn with that specific NFT Sinos, no? So, a simple tip lang, guys, no? So, make sure kapag maglalaro kayo, guys, marami pa yung pool, no? So, this U-coin pool will reset every 1 hour, no? So, every 1 hour, guys, nagre-reset yung U-coin pool. No, so makikita niyo diyan sa may taas ng Battle Pass, nagre-reset yan every 1 hour, no? So every time na malaki yung nasa pool and you won a game, mas malaki yung makukuha mong U-coin na mapapalanunan mo. So I hope that clears out. So mga batid, I hope you learned how you can earn U-coins in-game, no? So, kita-kits ulit on our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Kuya Snowden is out. Bye-bye!